How to unfriend in Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up the Facebook Lite application on your device and make sure that it is an updated version of the application. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, tap on the three lines over here at the top right corner. Then tap on your profile. Then scroll down and you can see your friends list. So just tap on see all, and here you can see your list of friends. Now to unfriend someone, what I have to do is you can see three dotted lines beside the person's name. Just tap on the person that you want to unfriend, and then you can see the option of unfriend over here at the bottom. Just tap on unfriend, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.